So, it's Emma's birthday, and we just got the Instax Mini 11 instant camera. So, camera's inside. I got some photos as well, 10 times 2. Oh, so it's a pack with 10, and those are the other 10. I think you can only put 10 in at a time, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. These are little accessories. This is like a diamond, like a gem, and this is Instax. You can put it there on the clicker. How do you do it? It's very old school with the batteries, but obviously it is.
Okay.
And this comes with it as well. And I got a camera. Don't take a picture of me.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, put the phone down.
No, it's gonna come out. The first picture that comes out is, well, it's part of the, what does it say? Do not press here. Oh. That's cool. Okay. Now you need to put it in a dark place for a moment, right? Here you can look through lens. What I like is like you see there's a selfie. I like that. Here you take the picture, there's a flash. Here you put the photos in, and here you put the batteries in. We got the lilac, well, I got the lilac purple for Emma. And then they didn't have the lilac purple case, so I got the pink one. We'll check out online, because you have like marble photos, you have rainbow ones. Those are pretty cool as well. And you can write on them. I like that. That's cool. It actually looks really good. Cool. The color, the white.
I didn't cover anything. I don't think I did.
With your hand?
With my finger, yeah.
I've taken a few pictures with these before. It's not working.
I don't know. We might just be being stupid.
No, you might be being stupid. Show me. Show me. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful picture of me.
Yeah. You broke the camera.
I didn't. As you can see, one touch selfie mode, brighter images, custom shutter accessories. These. Instant camera, hand strap, shutter accessory set. Shutter accessory. Oh yeah, the shutter accessory set. AA batteries and instruction manual. Does it say anything on the instruction manual? Okay, so Emma can't be trusted with her photography skills, but I can. We look terrible, but at least this one worked. We were in the bright sun, so as you can see, this is all white, so it's not really clear. But
this is fine. I'm not covering anything, right? This is fine.
I think so, yeah. I look good. It's a bit bright, but I look really good. You can take it off, and then you can
just keep it in this.
Okay, just super randomly, but look how cute. At our neighbor's dog. Look at him. So you can, yeah, but like taking photos and that, is it handy? Try it.
Hang on, give me this.
Yeah. So online where I bought it, you could buy sets for lilac purple, the baby blue one, and the baby pink one. I bought it separately, like this. It was €2 less expensive.
In a way, it's handy because it tells you, like, you can hold the case. Like,
yeah.
You know, and then beep.
Okay, that's nice. Pepsi? Pepsi! You like it? Yes, you do.
And then
that's pretty cool. I wonder how long the batteries will last. You look very touristy now.
Don't I?
Yeah.